that disc has my SimCity demo on it. The one in the drive is a MS-DOS startup disk. And this one has 2 songs, 2 photos, and even a game on it. Of course, the game is playable on Windows XP. It's playable on Windows 10, 7, things that support Construct 3, and also itch.io. First image, second image, of course, song. Of course, this is the whole James Bond theme, and this one is the Raiders of the Lost Ark theme. And of course, this is the game right here. This one is a document in case you can't use this thing. I suggest using this thing unless you actually have to use this. And that's about it.